friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Explorer Toad from Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the top of the head. So we're just going to start by drawing a nice big arch line right in the center there. Let's close off the left hand side. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left. We'll replicate that on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's round the cheek out now. So starting on this line, we're going to round this edge out, curving this over, flattening the chin out, pulling that into the center. We'll replicate that on the right as well, rounding this out, flattening that out, pulling that into the middle. Now for the mouth, we're going to curve this line in the opposite direction, right in the middle. And then we'll close this off with a curved line underneath, arching that back up on the right. Let's draw on the tongue. So we're going to arch this over and down on the right. Let's come up on the left-hand side here. We're going to draw in an oval for that left eye. And then we'll come across, lining that up at the same height, replicating that on the right-hand side as well. And now let's add our highlights on the very top, drawing in another oval. Now let's color in our eyes black. Moving above for the eyebrows, we're just going to draw in a small arch line on the left and right hand side. Let's come directly up in the middle. So we're going to leave a gap here and we're going to draw in a circle. So right in the center here, drawing in a big circle. And then we'll move right into the middle, replicating that again. Now in the middle, let's draw a straight line coming down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left and right hand side. Now on the top, let's curve this over slightly to the right. And then on the bottom, we'll just mirror that in the opposite direction. Let's close off the mushroom top here. So it's coming down slightly on the circle. We're going to curve this all the way around, pulling that in to the left-hand side. We're going to replicate that on the right. So lining that up at the same height, coming across, curving this around, pulling that in, and again, ending that at the same height as best as we can on the bottom. I'll just make sure that connects to the side. Let's draw on the strap for the headlamp here on the top. So just curving this down on the left, replicating that on the right. Let's move through underneath, curving this over and across. Let's draw in a half circle now, coming underneath. We'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this up on the top in the opposite direction. And then we're going to imagine that the circle comes underneath this strap here, curving this around and through to the side. Now on the left-hand side for the body, let's just curve this all the way around and into the middle. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well, blending that in together on the bottom. Let's draw on the belt. So we're just going to draw in a straight line across, coming below, replicating that again. Let's draw on the belt buckle in the middle. So stepping over from the center, two straight lines, leaving quite a big gap to create a rectangle. Stepping over again, we're going to draw in two more straight lines to create a square on the left. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now let's come up for the strap for the backpack. We're just going to curve this in on the left and right hand side. For the bandana in the middle, we're just going to curve this down towards the center, joining at a point from either side. Let's step across now, straight line coming down for the jacket. We're going to add in the pocket, so we'll draw a straight line coming in, leaving a gap from that line. And then we'll close that off underneath with a curved line. Now let's draw on the arms. So on the top, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal. And then on the bottom, another small diagonal line to close off the bottom of the arm. Now for that thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. For that pointer finger, going to curve this around, tucking that back in. In the center, curving this back around and up. lastly for the pinky, just curving this over and in, connecting that together. Let's continue the backpack up above. So we're going to draw in from the edge here of the top, we're going to draw in a straight line coming out. We'll drop down, lining that up at the same height, replicating that, pulling that into the arm. Let's round out the edge with a curved line. Now on the side, we're going to curve this in towards the hand. And then we're going to pull that through underneath to the body. Let's draw on the shoes. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal towards the bottom. And then on the very bottom here, we're just going to curve this out to the side. Now from that edge, let's round this out, pulling that over and in towards the body. And then we're going to add in the sole of the shoe here. So we're just going to draw on a curved line, pulling that in towards the back of the shoe. And that is it. That's how you draw Explorer Toad from Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.